Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Diana Cibrian. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I give myself a hydrofacial. Hydrofacials are very good for your skin. Reason being is because it does pretty much diminish the wrinkles in your face. It hydrates, it penetrates the hyaluronic acids, it diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. But I advise you guys, if you guys do want to get a hydrofacial done, to either book it with an esthetician, a dermatologist, or a doctor, you know, that focuses in skincare. So if you guys are not familiar with hydrofacial, a hydrofacial uses patent technology that cleanses, exfoliates, and hydrates the skin thoroughly with professional, highly effective serums that is specific to your skin needs as well. This unique process helps improve the appearance of skin concerns, such as fine lines and wrinkles and pore congestion as well. So these are the tips right here. Can't really see it too well, but it is not like a microdermabrasion machine, which has like a diamond tip. It is also not like a crystal dermabrasion either, because it does not spit out crystals. It's more like a plastic exfoliant. But anyways, the purpose of this machine is that while you are using the machine, it is sucking while penetrating hyaluronic acids into your skin. So I am going to be steaming my face the whole time that I am doing the facial, and that is the way that we do it as estheticians, and I'm pretty sure dermatologists do it as well. But being the fact that your pores are open and it's easier to get everything out of there, so that is why we are doing this. So right now I am going to be adding some rosehip mask on my face. I live for rose anything. Like, rosehip is the best. Anything that has like rose water in it. Not only do I love the way that it smells, but it's so good for your skin, just like a lot of other things, you know, such as like aloe vera or jasmine seed, cucumber. I know that I have posted a prior video using this machine, and this machine is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. So this should exfoliate the first layer of my skin. So let's go ahead and get started.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Okay, so now that I am done using this ultrasonic facial machine, I am going to be beginning the facial. So I'm going to be putting some hyaluronic acids on my face.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
so my hyaluronic acids are already in my facial machine, and I have already put on my tip. So now we are gonna go ahead and get started. I am so excited.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Okay, so I have done enough suction. Now I'm gonna turn up the water. You guys are gonna be seeing me grab my cloth and do the damn thing. This is my favorite part because the hyaluronics begin to pretty much penetrate your skin right now. This is where we gotta work a little fast because we really want those hyaluronic acids to get in there. I am gonna show you guys how disgusting my skin really is afterwards. So now I am going to be using my Hydro Mist. I already have my serums in here. So let me go ahead and click this. And get my little mask thing going. So this has a feature where you pretty much can click it gently and air will come out. And then if you press it harder, then it's the mist that comes out. And now that we are done with the masks and hydrating the skin and prepping it, and since I believe that the pores are open enough now so that we can extract any pimples that might be in our skin, obviously. If you guys don't know, this is definitely the proper way of extracting, or a lot of dermatologists or estheticians that do focus in popping pimples, they like to use two napkins or sometimes 2 cotton swabs that you use for the ears and apply pressure. Applying pressure, and overall, that is the key to popping a pimple. Don't use your nails, because your nails will stab into your skin, then that leaves a mark. And not only will that little area where the pimple is at will bleed, but your nail print will be in there as well. That's how you get like lines and stuff and dents, and not everyone's skin heals the same. So you have to remember that if you are extracting pimples incorrectly, then you might end up scarring, and that's harder to remove later on. So I will put the link down below to where I got these extractors. Of course, Amazon is the place per usual. It comes with a little pointy one and this little loophole that will help you pretty much extract the area. That's the one that I pretty much use the most. Then there is this one that is like tiny with like small little holes, and this one is really good for the nose area. I'm not ready to show you guys this. Nope. Okay, now are y'all shook? So this is what the water looks like. You guys can tell, right? The difference between clear and not clear. Look how red my face is though, but it feels so good. It feels like baby skin. So the next thing I'm gonna be adding is some collagen beauty mask, just to, you know, build a little collagen. Oh, it kind of burns a little, but I'm pretty sure it's not the collagen mask, because I've used this before and it doesn't do that. I like to use jade rollers so that I can drain my lymph nodes or massage my face. You guys can either use a little roller, or you guys can use a stone as well. It's just very good to massage your face, because not only, you know, does gravity take over, your skin is going lower, but it helps it, you know, lift it and give you a youthful look. So my steamer is still on. I'm gonna face this way because I don't really need to face my mirror too much when I'm doing this. And let me go ahead and
around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, so now that we are done with that, I am gonna go ahead and moisturize, and I like to use the Infinite Aloe skincare. The reason why I'm recommending this to you guys is because of the fact that I have been using this for a very long time, and I know that moisturizers and serums are very, very helpful and essential to your skincare routine every day. This is something that you have to do every single day, you know? Now I'm going to be going in with some rosehip seed oils.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the.
Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did like it, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave me a thumbs up as well, and comment down below on what you think my next video should be. I am thinking maybe dermaplaning. Are you guys feeling that? I want to know. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Through the wastelands, through the highway.